Welcome back to another trading signal. We've got Galxe here today, which is G-A-L. Before we get into Galxe, I want to take a look at some of the other trading signals that we've released on the channel that are still pending, waiting for activation. And the following signals are as such: ADA, BNB, Algo, CHZ, Link, and XEM. Now, the reason why I'm pointing these out is because these are trading signals that have not activated yet. These are trading signals that you will find the videos for in my previous uploads that you can still watch, you can still chart up and analyze, and when they break out, you can still potentially enter them and make some money. So again, that's ADA, BNB, Algo, CHZ, Link, and XEM. They're still waiting for activation, and you can still chart those up. But without further ado here, I want to get into GAL, which is Galxe or Gal, depending on your pronunciation of the coin itself. So Gal essentially has this triangular formation. It hasn't been around for too long. That's something that's worth noting. We're on the daily chart here. Realistically, you could analyze this thing on the 4-hourly chart. That would probably be more appropriate from when you're trading. But from an analyst perspective, right, from where we're drawing the lines, etc., how we're getting the lines correctly, the daily chart is probably the way to go about that. So what we have here on Galxe is 4 horizontal red lines and 5 horizontal lines in total. Okay, one of them is yellow. And as you guys would know, yellow represents a breakout point and red represents a take profit point. So that simplifies things already. We've got these lines at, for example, and these are where the lines are, so you can chart these up where I've got them. $2.15, $3.32, $2.83, $3.04, and $3.41. Those are the horizontal lines. We've also got a uptrending support line stemming from the wick here. Right, I'm going to make it pink so you guys can see it just for the time being. Stemming from the wick here on May the 11th, through to the wick on the 18th of June, through to the wicks here in August and September. And if we move that across, we extend it across and we'll make it yellow again because it is a breakout line. We've also got this line here, this horizontal line you drew in at $2.32 will be made yellow. It is a horizontal breakout line. And then, of course, we have the top part of the triangle. It kind of forms a triangular structure, which is stemming from the wick on the 31st of July, through to the wick here on the 10th of September, through to the wick on the 23rd of September. That will leave you with this structure here on Galxe. And it resembles kind of like a major, massive one big symmetrical triangle formation and then a bunch of different support and resistance lines. And, the trading signal is very simple just based off that, because it means, and this is why I'm interested in it for the main part, right? It means that we will be reaching an apex on this triangle at around the 13th of October, meaning that by the 13th of October, we will have to make a move either up or down, meaning that before the 13th of October, this trade will become profitable in one of the given scenarios. And the scenarios are as follows. If we break to the upside, you'd enter a long position or short or spot position, I should say, or long position, depending on your risk tolerance, and you take the trade to any of these upper resistance levels. And if we enter for the short position, you'd wait for a break to the downside of both of these lower yellow lines. Both of those would need to be broken to the downside. And you take a short position to the range low, which is at $2.15, this lower level line here. So again, just clarifying, for a break to the upside, you'd enter on the break to the upside of a triangle. You'd take profits at either one of these red levels, depending on where the market is going, depending on your risk tolerance, etc. And for the short position, wait for a break of the triangle and the horizontal level, both the yellow lines, and take a trade to $2.15. Now, is there anything major in regards to moving averages, in regards to RSI, etc., that's interesting on this trade? Not necessarily. And I do this on purpose. I pick trades that don't really have anything major going on. The reason I do that is because it keeps it simple, and you want simplicity. This trade, this coin hasn't been around long enough for us to have any significant, for example, moving averages or anything like that really come up as prevalent. The RSI and the MACD are very, very new. They're not really showing us really too much, meaning the trade is very simple. The only thing we have is the 50-day SMA, and we would break that to the upside if we were to enter the long position anyway. So it's good to go. So that's the trade signal. Very simple, break triangle, go up. Very simple, break triangle, go down. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the altcoin trading signal I just posted. Now, if you're interested in trading this altcoin trading signal, I highly recommend that you trade on the exchange that I am trading on so I can keep you updated effectively on the trade. This is the exchange I found the coin on and analyzed it on originally. So sign up to BitGet using my referral link in the description below. Not only will you be in tune with what the rest of the Wolfpack is doing, but you're also getting 5 times lower fees than the major exchanges. For example, Binance, 5 times lower fees than Binance. You're saving yourself money on those trades as well. You've also got security security on this exchange that's not present on other exchanges, like a protection fund. And on top of that, if you sign up using my referral link, you're supporting the channel, and you also get access to an exclusive rewards center where you can gain up to 4,000 USD in rewards. If you want to learn how to trade, like I've just done in this video, if you want to learn how to do that, you can sign up to the you can sign up to the Crypto Academy's Become a Trader course. This is a course teaching people how to trade through 10 units, and you can go to the website and read up more about that in the blurb here. And also, ultimately, you can chuck us an email at cryptoacademycourses@gmail.com if you're interested in signing up. Thanks, guys.